My name is Cameron and I race in the Ohvale Cup, and my highlights of this year was getting my bike and being able to have the opportunity to race in the Ohvale Cup. And my goals for next year are to try and get top 5 in the cup.
Hi, my name's Luca, I'm 12 years old and I live near York. I've been racing bikes for about 4 years now, and last year I raced in the Ohvale UK Cup. This year I'm going to be moving into the Honda British Talent Cup with Wilson Racing. It will be a learning year, but it's going to be great. I'd like to thank all my sponsors and I'll hopefully see you all soon.